So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that your PS3 is turned off. Now you want to unplug the power cable. Let's unplug this real quick. Okay, now that's been unplugged. And now for the next step, you want to hold on the power button on your PS3 for 30 seconds. Here's the power button. Hold it for 30 seconds. Nothing's going to happen because you unplugged the power cable, but you still want to hold on the power button for 30 seconds. This works for all PS3 models. I'm just going to fast forward the video. And now that's been done. I've held on the power button for 30 seconds. Now for the next step, you want to plug in your PS3 power cable again. So we're going to plug this in right there. Done. That's been plugged in. Now we're just going to turn on the PS3 again. And yeah, that's how you do it. The problem is now fixed.